Our lesson for today is all about factorials. A factorial is the product of an integer and all the integers below it. Symbol is n factorial. So this is read as again n factorial. N factorial is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times 3 times 2 times 1. Also, we define 0 factorial is equal to 1. Let's have some examples of factorial. Number 1, we have 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6. What about 5 factorial? 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 120. What about 6 factorial? Factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 720. Another example of factorial, we have 3 factorial times 5 factorial. 3 factorial, we have 3 times 2 times 1. And 5 factorial, we have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Remember, when getting the product of 3 factorial, it is equal to 6. And the product of 5 factorial is equal to 120. So 6 times 120 will give you 720. Next, number 5. 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Get first the factorial of 7 factorial. So that is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then 4 factorial, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, look at the numerator and the denominator. Since they have common numbers, so we can cancel or we can divide the common numbers. So the common numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1. The same with the denominator, the common numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1. So we can cancel them, or when we divide them, it is equal to 1. So the remaining numbers are 7, 6, and 5. So when we multiply 7 times 6 times 5, the answer is 210. Let's have the first theorem. The number of permutations of n object is n factorial. Note, we can only apply this theorem if we are arranging objects that are different from one another. Example for theorem number 1. Mrs. Molina wants to distribute her 5 different tablet PC to her 5 students. In how many ways can she do it? So there are 5 students. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have also 5 PC tablet. How many tablet PC to be given? So how many? There are 5. How many students will receive the tablet PC? It is also 5. So the solution will be the permutation is equal to 5 factorial. So 5 factorial meaning 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that is 120 ways. Another example. In how many ways can 6 different books be arranged in a shelf? How many books are there? Yes, it has 6 books. How many books must be arranged? Again, you can arrange it 6 times. So what will be your solution? So the solution will be the permutation of 6 factorial. So 6 factorial means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 will give you 720 arrangements of books in a shelf. Here are other examples of factorials. So you must memorize these factorials. So let's start with 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 6. 4 factorial is equal to 24. And 5 factorial is equal to 120. 6 factorial is equal to 720. 7 factorial is equal to 5040. 8 factorial is equal to 40,320. 9 factorial is equal to 362,880. And 10 factorial, we have 3,628,800.